Cooperb Motorcycles. In today's video, we're going to be talking to you about the exciting new product that's just arrived from S&S. This is the new Qualifier Exhaust System. So yeah, let's check it out. So as you can see, the Qualifier is a 2-in-1 system. So front to back, the whole thing is made of brushed stainless steel. So you can see there, the welds on it are absolutely beautiful. This is typical S&S, just over-engineered and just fits and sounds an absolute treat. So this system actually weighs 28 pounds less than the stock one, which is quite weighty. So yeah, so not only a good saving in weight, you get a bit more horsepower. So you've got 12% more horsepower at its peak, and again, torque 7% more at its peak there as well. And don't forget, to get the full power out of this system, you will want the S&S air filter, the high performance one, and the S&S air intake delete kit, which we keep in stock. We have lots of other products available from S&S, everything from the high compression pistons, camshafts, both the 750 and the 865 big bore kits. So as you can see, this looks great on this Interceptor, which is available for sale now in our showroom. But I've also seen these fitted on a standard Continental GT 650 and a stock Interceptor as well. They totally changed the whole stance and look of the bike. They just look great. So these are available now on our eBay shop. So yeah, if you want one, give us a call or go online.